Hello guys. Now nimekuwa nikihubiri injili ya kushika kura. Kwa nikiambia vijana tangu last year, vijana tushike kura because it is your right. You get to make a decision to vote out those leaders who you think are not working for you. Now it is time. IEBC announced recently that they will conduct mass voter registration next month. Actually, in March. Next month in March, which will start on the 29th of March. So vijana wale wamefikisha 18 years and above, mostly hao ni majenzi, uko na ID tayari, uko na chance sasa ya kushika kura for you to participate in the next year general election. That is the information you need to know. That next month mass voter registration, it is coming next to you, next to your polling station, hapo karibu na wewe. Remember to register as a voter so that usishinde hapo ukicomplain kila wakati, na uko na uhuru wa kushika kura na kufanya maamuzi kwa uchaguzi. Remember guys, we must talk about Kenya because Kenya is our business.